guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how simple and easy it is to roast a chicken. Let's get into it. So for this recipe, I have a roasting chicken that's probably around 4 to 5 pounds. And this one is actually an organic chicken. I got it over at Aldi's. And if you saw my Aldi's video a couple of videos back, that's this chicken. I salted and peppered it. Well, first, of course, I washed it and took the giblets out and seasoned it nicely with just basic seasoning, salt, pepper, and I also used Bell seasoning, poultry seasoning. And then I used some organic chicken stock and put that in the bottom, along with about 1 small onion cut up, about 1/2 cup of chopped baby carrots, and about 1 stick of celery chopped up. So basically that's what you have here. And I have the oven preheated at 350 degrees. And I'm going to take this little guy and pop him in the oven and I'll see you back in a minute. By the way, I'm putting the timer on. It says on the instructions that it's 20 minutes per pound. So we're looking at least an hour. So I'll get the timer going. I always like to use a timer because it just alleviates a lot of guesswork. So we're gonna put this in for about 1 hour and 20. And then once we get past the hour point, I'm gonna check it out and see what's going on. I'll see you back in a minute, okay? Guys, we're back and we're gonna take the roasted chicken out of the oven. And for anybody else who doesn't really like turkey that much, this is my Rebel Thanksgiving. So I roasted a chicken and we're gonna get ready to take it out, see what you think of it. Let's get ready. Well, here we have our roasted chicken, our Rebel Thanksgiving meal. And the chicken really looks good. And I use a general rule of thumb of 20 minutes per pound at an oven temperature of 350 degrees. And this looks fantastic. And you always want to use a meat thermometer just to be sure, especially with chicken. And you put it in the center, the thickest part of the bird, and you want to get a reading of about 165 degrees. Hey, listen, I hope you guys have a happy Thanksgiving, and I appreciate you being here. I'm having a lot of fun doing this, and I love you guys. Over and out. Ciao for now, and I'll see you in the next video.